Have you reset the waste ink pad counter of your Epson L121 but it still isn't working? You might have missed some important steps. Watch this video carefully. One common reason why the Epson L121 resetter or adjustment program does not work is because some essential steps are forgotten during the process. Here are the important things you need to do. First, you may need to temporarily disable your antivirus or add the adjustment program application to the exclusion list. Windows sometimes falsely detects the application as a virus, which causes it to block the program or automatically delete its executable files. Simply follow the tutorial on how to add the application to the exclusion list. Another commonly missed step is executing the initial settings inside the adjustment program. This step must be performed even if the waste pad counter already shows 0. The printer may still display an error if this procedure is not completed properly. You need to enter your printer's serial number here. You can find the serial number on the front or at the back of the printer. Ignore this error. Now you can reset the main pad counter even if it already shows 0, because the initial settings step was previously missed during the reset process. This is why the printer still shows an alternate blinking error. After that, just follow the dialog box instructions, turn the printer off, then turn it back on. Once done correctly, your printer should work normally again. I also recommend purchasing the resetter or adjustment program from this Shopee shop. It comes with lifetime access, so you can reuse it whenever your printer shows an alternate blinking error or a service-required error in the future. Be careful when downloading free resetter tools or adjustment program because some of them may contain viruses, spyware, or other malicious programs that can steal your data and potentially hack your accounts. Just tap the tagged product and you will be redirected to the seller of the adjustment program. This is only available in the Philippines. If you are in another country, you can try WIC by Inkchip, which is a paid resetter and for one-time use only. I will place the link to their YouTube channel in the video description. I am not an affiliate of this company. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.